Hello guys, kumusta na mo diha? Daghan naman ng tamalaagan sa malay-balay no? Pero there gyapon may kasagara makapaingon no? This is Kaamulin Grounds. It's foggy, gamay ra sad. I checked the temperature, I think around 24 degrees. Daghan na gyud malaagan no, but there gyapon may makapadulong saya ka. Nice man sad gyud. Diba? Very native ang ambience, people. And tonight, swerte kami, timing, na ay mga bands nag-play. These bands, I think, are from Cagayan de Oro City. Usually, guys, libre rin sila din, no? Walay entrance, but tonight, nagpa-entrance sila 100 pesos kay ibayad nila sa mga bands na nag-play. This is their facade. So nice, right? Very native.
Sir Wally of Yakar Resto Bar again for allowing us.
Na-enjoy ra pud ni no? Order o ginagmay. Tagay-tagay o ginagmay. Just to relax. And just listen to those new music. Actually, those performing bands have their own compositions. Yun na lang, na-enjoy ang dunya sa iyang vacation. O, na-enjoy po ang iyang lover boy.